Welcome back to another episode of Game of Thrones. We're at episode 9. We all know episode 9s are good. I'm excited for this episode. I'm excited for the end of this season. I'm excited for season 4. I'm just excited. So last episode we saw Tyrion and Sansa get married. And we saw Clegane taking Arya back to her mum and brother. I am super stoked for this episode. Can't believe I'm already here. So let's get straight into it and see what will unfold. It's gotta be good. It's gotta be good. I'm excited.
We'll lose the war and die the way Father died. Or worse.
Show them how it feels to lose what they love.
Ooh, snap. So that's decision made then, right?
Be welcome within my walls and at my table. My eldest granddaughters, Janea and Nahila.
They don't look very old.
Sarah and Sarah, granddaughters, twins. You could have had either. Could have had both for all I care. Walra. Waldina.
I'm married.
Fine. And here's my youngest daughter, Sheree. Very pretty. Prettier than this lot, that's for sure. Very shapely as well.
The uncle doesn't look too pleased.
Oh, you try to hide her under that dress. If you wanted to hide her, you shouldn't have brought her here in the first place. I can always see what's going on beneath a dress.
He knows she's
Been
pregnant.
at this a long time. Well, let's get ready. The wine will flow red, and the music will play loud, and we'll put this mess behind us.
Well, that was successful, I would say.
We'll prepare.
He's got the hots for her. It's very evident.
So, Jorah.
You know all that from staring at marks on paper?
Yes.
You're like a wizard.
Oh, he feels admired. That's adorable.
Gotta get this salt pork to the twins in time for the wedding. Many thanks.
Oh shit.
Don't kill him.
Dead rats don't squeak. You're very kind. Someday it'll get you killed.
Oh, Arya. Poor bloke.
Where are we?
Spread out, round the hut. Moving.
Egret!
His morals are getting in his way to kind of be one of them. He's not doing a very good job at seeming like he wants to be one of them.
No one's going to believe you're a hog farmer if you eat them all.
Best part of the animal.
Ew, hog trotters.
You're afraid of fire. When Beric's sword went up in flames, you looked like a scared little girl.
Ooh, touching the weaknesses.
And I know why too. I heard what your brother did to you. Press your face to the fire like you're a nice, juicy mutton chop. Someday, I'm gonna put a sword through your eye and out the back of your skull.
Oh, Arya. Fucking hell.
There's a rider out there.
Just one.
There's more.
Hold on.
Oh shit, it's the wildlings.
It's just thunder, sweet giant.
Wildlings.
Where's Jackie Dog and Summer?
Hunting.
Hold on.
Quiet, Hodor.
Hold on.
Make him shut up. If they hear us.
Hush, Hodor. No more Hodor.
Hold on.
Oh shit, hold on, come on dude.
Hold on.
They're gonna hear us.
Hold on.
Hodor, calm down.
Hold on.
Hodor, be
Hold on.
quiet.
Hold on.
Using those warg skills, bro. Whoa.
What did you do? Nothing. I don't know.
Jon Snow, your brother's in that windmill.
I heard shouting up there.
Thunder. Let me go with a bit of dignity.
The wolves are out hunting.
Make the crow kill him.
If Jon Snow sees the wolves, he'll know who's there.
You're one of us now. Prove it.
Come on, boy. Go on.
He's a crow. He'll always be a crow. And here's his crow wife guarding him. He'll stab us in the back first chance he gets.
Get him.
Ah! Fuck sticks! Oh. No, Egret!
Oh. He's one of them! Do you hear me? You're not gonna die for one of them!
Do it.
Come on, man.
They'll find us if you don't.
Because then you can attack them as the wolves. Come on, you can do it. Ooh! Ooh! Come on. Oh, you deserved that.
You were right the whole time.
Oh, yes. Ah. Fucking eagles. Oh, God. Oh, Egret.